Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ASL book is probably one of the most valuable resources for anyone looking to learn American Sign Language, offering a structured approach to mastering this beautiful and expressive language, from basic vocabulary and grammar to more complex sentence structures and conversational skills. And this comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know, including tips and techniques for effective learning and practice, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable learning journey. Ultimately empowering you to connect with the deaf community and enrich your communication skills. Number 5. BARRON'S ASL Guide. Learn American Sign Language at your own pace. This comprehensive guide covers ASL levels 1 and 2. Start with the basics of ASL. It lays a strong foundation for your ASL journey. Build upon your foundational knowledge. It will help you communicate more fluently. Practice what you've learned with online video exercises. It's a fun and effective way to improve. This book is your complete resource for learning ASL. It covers all the essential aspects of the language. It helps you to communicate effectively in real-life situations. It's designed to make learning practical and engaging. What we like. It covers both ASL levels 1 and 2, and includes online video practice. If you need a structured learning path with extra practice, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a thorough understanding of ASL fundamentals and beyond. What people say. This book gives you a website where you can go to practice signing with another person, and it gives you a sign that you must identify. It's a great tool. This is a great resource for learning ASL. Well written, easy to read, with great illustrations of the signs. This book is very comprehensive. The online materials are all about quizzes and exams, but not for sign illustrations in the book. So it would be great if all sign illustrations are demonstrated online on BARRON'S book website. Number 4. ASL for Beginners Guide. Welcome to the world of American Sign Language. This program will guide you through essential signs, making communication accessible and fun. Let's start with the foundation, the alphabet. You'll learn how to sign each letter, building a strong base for more complex words. Now, let's put those letters to use. You'll learn common greetings, introductions, and everyday phrases to start conversations. It's time to expand your vocabulary. You'll learn numbers, colors, and other essential words for daily interactions. Let's build sentences. You'll learn basic sentence structure and practice simple conversations to improve fluency. Congratulations! You've completed the course. Now, practice regularly and continue expanding your knowledge of this beautiful language. What we like. It's designed for beginners and promises to teach you the essentials in just 30 days. If you're looking for a quick and easy introduction to ASL, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want to learn the basics quickly and efficiently. What people say. The book is 7x9, easy to read, the pictures are easy to follow. Love this book. Very educational and easy to follow and learn. I love that it heads the signs as well as the description as to why you use that sign or in what manner, etc. I am using this as a resource for informal lessons with friends so they can sign to me, and I feel it is set up in a nice, natural approach to learning the language, pretty nice explanation for things, and is a valuable resource. Number 3. ASL for Kids, 101 Easy Signs. Learning to sign can open up a whole new world of communication. This program makes it fun and easy for kids to learn. It all starts with the alphabet. We'll learn each letter, one at a time, with clear and simple demonstrations. Counting is essential. Watch and learn how to sign the numbers from 1 to 10. From food to toys, it shows you how to sign words for things kids see and use every day. It's time to put it all together. Learn to sign simple phrases to start conversations. Expand your vocabulary with colors and shapes. It's a great way to describe the world around you. Learn to sign words for family members and friends. It's a great way to connect with loved ones. Let's explore the animal kingdom. Learn how to sign the names of different animals. It's time to get active. Learn how to sign common actions and verbs. Now you can use all the signs you've learned to communicate with others. Keep practicing and have fun. What we like. It focuses on teaching 101 easy signs perfect for kids. If you're a parent or educator looking to introduce ASL to children, this book is perfect. It's designed for young learners and makes learning fun and accessible. What people say. Excellent pictures and explanations. The pictures make it easy to understand and the information included is really awesome. It explains the signs thoroughly and makes it very easy to understand. Number 2. ASL Dictionary 3rd edition. This updated resource is your comprehensive guide to American Sign Language. It's packed with new signs and improved definitions for clear communication. It boasts an even larger vocabulary than before, ensuring you'll find the signs you need. This makes it perfect for students and experienced signers alike. The definitions have been refined for greater accuracy and clarity. Understanding the nuances of each sign is now easier than ever. High-quality illustrations accompany each sign, providing visual support for learning. This visual aid enhances comprehension and retention. It features a user-friendly layout for easy navigation. Finding the signs you need is quick and simple, making it a practical tool for daily use. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced signer, this dictionary is an invaluable tool for expanding your ASL knowledge. It's a must-have for anyone serious about mastering ASL. What we like. It's a comprehensive dictionary, now in its 3rd edition. If you need a quick reference guide with a wide range of signs, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those who already know some ASL and want to expand their vocabulary. What people say. Sternberg's ASL Dictionary is the most incredible resource for American Sign Language that I have found on the market. I love the fact that Sternberg includes 5000 plus signs, and that he offers more than one sign for many words. It shows how to sign the words, as well as letters and numbers, but also shows other meanings of the signs. Furthermore, there are written explanations in addition to the pictures. Number 1. ASL Beginners Guide 2023. This comprehensive guide makes learning ASL easy and fun. It's designed to get you communicating in just 1 month. Follow the daily lessons and you'll build a strong foundation in ASL. Each lesson is structured for maximum learning. It's designed to teach you the fundamentals of ASL quickly and effectively. You'll be surprised how much you can learn in a month. We've included 13 helpful tips to make your learning journey even smoother. These tips will help you avoid common mistakes. Don't wait any longer to start learning ASL. This guide is your key to unlocking a new world of communication. This guide is perfect for absolute beginners. No prior knowledge of ASL is required. What we like. This beginner's guide includes 13 useful tips to help you learn ASL in 30 days. If you appreciate extra learning resources and a structured approach, this is a good option. It's ideal for those who want a structured learning experience with helpful tips and tricks. What people say. The guide is well structured, offering a clear and logical progression from basic to more advanced concepts. It breaks down the learning process into manageable daily lessons, making it easy to follow and integrate into a busy schedule. One of the standout features of this guide is its accessibility. The explanations are clear and concise, accompanied by high-quality illustrations and step-by-step instructions that make learning ASL intuitive and engaging. The book starts out with an introduction to ASL and how it works, then moves on to teaching me the alphabet, numbers, and simple phrases. The next step in becoming proficient in ASL is to study the vocabulary and grammar of the language in greater depth. The inclusion of both text and images is really appreciated. Both the text and the images work together to enhance the overall experience. The instructions in the text clarified the steps I needed to take with my hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.